Hey guys, welcome back. It's Parrot Gumdrops. And just so you know, listen to Ryder over there. You kids out there, listen to Ryder. But today, we are going to be doing Johnny Cash. So guess what? This is done by Johnny Cash. So, we're going to do Johnny Cash False in Prison. It will be a karaoke up there, so if you want to sing along, you can just go ahead and sing along. It doesn't matter. And let's get this started. I hear that train coming, it's rolling round the bend, and I haven't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in false prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps rolling, I'm down to sand it on. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy and don't have to play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I aim my head people keep moving, and that's what told you. It's not over yet.
It's not over yet. I cut it short again.
Oh, the worst.
Well, let's see what that turned out.
Okay.
Here it is.
Well, if they free me from this prison and we'll try to join one, I bet you'll fall out of line. Fall from false prison, that's where I want to stay. And I let the
Lonesome whistle, blow my blues away.
This was by Johnny Cash. None of this was by us, so don't give us the credit. Just so you know, I'm not getting trademarked. If I'm getting